heavy. She thick. She thick. ASMR. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. So as you can see by the title, today really this vlog is just gonna be me unboxing my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Super excited. Sorry, my nails like bothering me. I haven't had my nails done in like 2 weeks because I'm letting them breathe, so it feels so weird. But I'm gonna give it another week, then I'm getting these things done. But anyways, yes, we unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max today. So this vlog's probably gonna be pretty short because it's literally pretty sure it's just gonna be me unboxing my phone. But it's coming in the mail today. I don't have it yet. So right now we're about to check to see where it's at. I thought I heard a truck. So it's still out for delivery. That was at 9:30 this morning and it's 11:30. So it might not be here for a few hours because it's coming with FedEx and I don't really be paying attention. I don't know what time FedEx usually comes around here, so it could be a few hours before they still come, but the facility is leaving from us pretty close to here, so I'm guessing it's gonna be here soon. So yeah, only thing is why I wanted to come on here, sorry I keep looking, because y'all, they shipped it to my address but they forgot to put my apartment number. So I gotta be on point for when it comes because I don't know where they're gonna leave it at. My building has like several entrances, and also they could leave it at the leasing office if it doesn't have like an apartment number. So I don't know where my package is gonna be at. Just gotta be on the lookout for when the FedEx truck comes to get my package, because whoever sent my package forgot to put my apartment number. How you forget the apartment number? But I'm just gonna sit here and wait until my package comes. I'll check it back in with y'all whenever I have my package, I guess, or when I go looking for my package, because who knows where it's gonna be? Not me. All right, I'll check in with y'all and whenever my package didn't come yet, but I wanted to go look on my balcony to see if I see a truck, but it's probably freezing outside. Whew, it's cold. I see the mail. I want to show y'all. Actually, let me not like share my love, but I don't see one. I just see the mail truck. Made a tie-dye shirt, y'all. We're still waiting. Okay, I zoomed in, but is that like too much? Too much? Let me zoom out. Okay, so package secured. I had to make sure I wasn't showing my Addy, but I'm excited. Okay, let's just open it. It's literally like I could just like rip it open, hopefully. I don't know why I'm so excited, like I don't already have 2 phones. Okay. Paper. Oh, it's heavy. She thick. She thick. She thick. I hope my nails on, y'all. Let me take a boomerang. Okay, I think it's like the perfect boomerang for whatever reason. But this is what the box look like. How do I open the box? Let me just. How do you open this? Hold on. Oh, I think this is it. It has like little arrows you pull. I'm in silver. Oh, I got silver, y'all. So that's what it look like. Let me stop. Oh, I ordered a case, but it's not gonna be here till tomorrow. Okay, so it just comes with. But I don't want to come with the whole. I think they've been stopped coming with like the whole charger. But that's like so inconvenient. Yeah, just come with this. So my face is shiny, y'all, because y'all, if y'all watch my videos, y'all know I'm going through something. I have my medicine on my face. So yeah, if you know what I'm talking about, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my other vlogs. But it just comes with this piece. I haven't bought an iPhone since I bought the 12 Pro Max, so I don't remember what it used to come with. I'm trying to see if there's anything else under here. This is not. It's empty. That's the only thing. Remember, iPhones used to come with headphones, the big block, the charger. They don't come with shit no more. I'll be hard if they came with some AirPods. They said, fuck dog. Okay, well, there ain't nothing else in that fucking box. My eye, something in my eye. So I got silver. That's what she looks like. Let me move my face out the way. Hopefully y'all can see. Oh, ASMR. It looks just like mine. It looks just like my 12. I think they're the exact, hold on. This is a 12 Pro Max, y'all. Oh. And this is the 14, obviously. They're literally the same size. Spot the difference because bitch, I don't know. Okay, they're the same. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be bigger, but because this one's already big as shit, so okay. I don't know if it's, is it charged? Oh, it is charged. Okay, it's turning on. But yeah, it's the same size as my 12 Pro Max, but this is a, which one is this? I think this one is an XR. So obviously it's like a little bit bigger than that one. But yeah, I don't know, y'all. I guess I'm just about to sit here and set it up. So I pretty much got everything set up. The only thing is I have 3 different phones, so like when you rang one, all of them was ringing, so I had to like watch a YouTube video on how to stop that from happening. It was pretty easy. Only thing I want, because I'm used to it, I want my 12, well, I want my XR to ring with one of my 12 rings, but I don't want my 14 to ring with my 12 rings, basically. So I'm trying to, you have to like go on each phone and like do the settings. So I'm doing that right now. Also, since I connected my Apple ID to this phone, it's trying to download like all my pictures on my iCloud, and I don't want that because the pictures are already on this phone and I'm keeping this phone, so I don't need, you know, double the pictures. So I'm just trying to figure that stuff out right now. But that's my iPhone unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next. I know this was a weird weekly vlog because it's one day. Wish I did last time I did a weekly vlog too. But I wanted to see y'all. I wanted y'all to see me open my phone. But yeah, this is her. This is she. I'm gonna like make it pretty and everything, but this is what it looks like right now. My case and stuff comes tomorrow. But this is what it's giving. I'm about to finish like setting everything up on these phones. And I'll see you guys next video.